Pronouns are words which are used in place of nouns to avoid repetition. So let us learn some more pronouns. Now this is a scene from Ranveer's classroom. As you can see, Ranveer is very angry and he is talking to his friends. Ranveer complained about Dhruv to everyone. What did he say? He said, Dhruv took my diary. Dhruv quarreled with me. Dhruv is very bad. Now, Dhruv is a name. It is a naming word. So, Dhruv is a noun. Dhruv is being repeated again and again. So, I should use a pronoun over here. What is the pronoun that is used for Dhruv? The pronoun that is used for Dhruv here is he. Now, as you can see, Ranveer is talking and he is talking about Dhruv. But Dhruv is not present here. So, Dhruv is not the person who is speaking. Dhruv is not the person spoken to. So, Dhruv is a third person. So, we know that in English there is an I, that is the person speaking, which is the first person. Then there is you, the person spoken to, which is the second person. And there is everybody else, which is the third person. Over here, Dhruv is neither the person speaking nor the person spoken to. So, Dhruv is the third person and the pronoun used for Dhruv is he. Also, if you notice, the first time Dhruv is used, I have not used he. Why is it so? Because if I write he over here, it will not be very clear who I am talking about. So for third person, I need to write the name of the person for the very first time. And then I can use the pronoun. So this pronoun he is referring to Dhruv. So the pronoun he is used for a boy or man, that is for masculine gender, other than who is speaking or spoken to, which means third person. So not the person who is speaking, not the person spoken to means third person, and for singular. So when we are referring to one person who is the third person, for singular masculine gender, the pronoun used is he. He is a personal pronoun. A personal pronoun is a pronoun that refers to a particular person, group or thing. It is called pronoun because it takes the place of noun in a sentence. So let us learn some more personal pronouns. Choose the correct option. This is the picture of my uncle. Dash is out of station. So over here, uncle is being referred to. Now, uncle is the third person. He is not the person who is speaking, not the person spoken to. Third person, singular number. One uncle, we are talking about just one uncle, and masculine gender. So the pronoun used is he. He is out of station. Now over here, Ranveer told Dhruv, Shruti is my friend. Shruti sings very well. Shruti has won a singing competition. So once again, Shruti is being repeated again and again. So I need a pronoun in place of Shruti. Shruti is third person because Ranveer is the person speaking. Dhruv is the person spoken to. Shruti is nowhere there. She is the third person. So which pronoun do I use here? Can I use he? No. We know that he is for masculine gender. The pronoun used for feminine gender is she. So she sings very well. She has won a singing competition. And the first time Shruti is used, I need to write Shruti to clarify who is this she pointing to. Or what does she represent? So she is a pronoun. It is used for a girl or a woman, that is feminine gender, other than who is speaking or spoken to, which means third person and singular. So she is used for third person singular feminine gender. Now choose the correct pronoun. Dash is wearing a pink dress. So as we can see, this girl is wearing a pink dress. The options are he or she. He is used for masculine gender. She is used for feminine gender. So the correct option will be she is wearing a pink dress. Now there is a fish here. Fish lives in water. Fish swims every day. Fish loves water. So I am talking about this fish. Now fish is a noun. It is repeated again and again. I need a pronoun. So what pronoun to use for fish? Is it a male? No. So I cannot use he. Is it female? No. So I cannot use she. Fish is a neuter gender, and the pronoun used for neuter gender is it. So it swims every day. It loves water. So for animals and non-living things which are neuter gender, the pronoun used is it. So it is used for non-living things and animals. So for third person and singular. Now rewrite the sentence with appropriate pronoun. There is a dog in the ground. The dog is playing. Now will the second sentence be he is playing, or will it be it is playing? So he is for masculine gender. It is for neuter gender. Dog is an animal, so it is neuter gender. So the correct option will be it is playing. Now over here, Ranveer, Dhruv and Hiten participated in a drawing competition. Ranveer, Dhruv and Hiten are best friends. So Ranveer, Dhruv and Hiten are the nouns which are used again and again. So these are repeated. I need a pronoun. Now there are 3 boys. So can I use the pronoun for masculine gender he? No, I cannot, because he is used for singular. Over here, I can see more than one boy. So there are 3 boys. I need a pronoun for plural. The pronoun used for plural third person is they. So they are best friends. Once again, when I use it for the first time, I need to write the names to specify what does this they stand for. Pastel colors are attractive. Pastel colors are easy to handle. Pastel colors are useful for painting. Now pastel colors, this noun is repeated and it is plural. For non-living thing, plural, the pronoun used is they. So it is the same as what we use for these boys. So what we use for the masculine gender, the same pronoun is used for neuter gender as well. These colors. So they are easy to handle. They are useful for painting. Over here we have Shruti, Megha and Sneha. Shruti, Megha and Sneha live in the same locality. Shruti, Megha and Sneha go to school together. So there are 3 girls, feminine gender, and their names are repeated. So I need a pronoun. So what is the pronoun for feminine gender plural? Once again, it is they. So Shruti, Megha and Sneha live in the same locality. They go to school together. So we see that they is used for masculine, feminine as well as neuter gender when I talk about plural third person. So for people, non-living things, animals, whatever it may be, if it is third person plural, the pronoun used is they. So for third person, if it is singular, then you need to see whether it is masculine gender. The pronoun used for masculine gender is he. The pronoun used for feminine gender is she. And the pronoun used for objects and creatures, that is neuter gender, is it. But when it is plural, irrespective of whether it is masculine or feminine or neuter gender, the pronoun used is always they. If you like this video, then subscribe to our channel. You can also register for free at deltastep.com to get all the learning resources as per CBSE, ICSE, IB, Cambridge or any other curriculum. Over 5,000 amazing lectures on maths, science, English and social science. Our unique interactive video technology keeps you engaged, and our iDictionary feature allows you to quickly revise any concept. Master each topic at your own pace with our adaptive practice technology and 1 million plus questions. Get instant answers and detailed solutions. Be exam ready by taking unlimited mock tests, performance analysis along with actionable feedback, personal tutors to resolve the slightest of your doubts. And that's not all. You can also win exciting prizes like PlayStations, iPads, watches and many more, along with certificates through our Earn As You Learn program. So at deltastep.com, learning is not just fun and easy, it is rewarding too. So register for free now.